Hey church, wanted to give you an update about some of the decisions that we made over the weekend regarding how we will proceed as a church moving forward regarding our COVID guidelines, particularly around masking. Last week, we sent out a letter informing the church that even though the CDC had sent out new guidelines saying that fully vaccinated people are allowed to take off their masks in indoor spaces and outdoor spaces, we still wanted to be a little bit slower in our decision-making process to make sure that we're just keeping everybody in unity together, making sure everybody feels safe, loved, and welcomed in the church. So we required masks last Sunday, and then the pastors and elders got together on Sunday afternoon to talk together, make sure everyone was heard, every opinion was represented, and to prayerfully discern how God would have us move forward. And I think that we actually came up with a really great plan that is going to be perfect for our community, or at least close to perfect. So here's the plan. For the next 2 Sundays, which are the last 2 Sundays in May, we are going to continue requiring that everyone wear masks in our gatherings. And then on June 6th, we will fully lift any masking requirements for our worship time together. The reason that we are taking the next 2 weeks and still requiring masks is because the new updated CDC guidelines, they really came upon us pretty suddenly and we weren't prepared for it. And we want to give a bit more of a buffer for as many of our people as possible to be able to get vaccinated. Every one of our pastors and our elders is vaccinated, and as a team, we are all in unity that we think that the vaccine is a good thing. And we want to encourage everyone who is able and for whom there is no issue of conscience to go ahead and get vaccinated so that we can have herd immunity in our church building for our Sunday gatherings. Now, we know that there are a number of people who are not yet vaccinated and who are putting it off for various reasons, and that's fine. We totally understand that. And we know that some of those people are still concerned about community spread. So we are going to have a sort of a safe section for those who are not vaccinated who would like to sit in a place that is mask required. So beginning on June 6th, the balcony will be opened up, but it will require that you wear a mask the entire time that you are up there. So if you are a person who is not quite comfortable being in sort of a section with many people who are unmasked, that's great. We hope that you're still able to join us and that you feel comfortable sitting in the balcony where everybody else around you will be wearing masks. Now, the next question that we have to answer is, what are we doing about kids? And in short, basically, we're just wanting to get in touch with as many parents as possible. But kids under kindergarten age will not be required to wear a mask. And then kids older than kindergarten or kindergarten and up, basically, we're just wanting to find out what parents think, how you guys are feeling so that we can honor and respect everybody's decisions and come up with good policies together. So parents, be on the lookout for an email from Pastor Johnny with sort of some survey questions, getting a sense of what you feel is best for your family. And then through the summer, Pastor Johnny is planning on doing most of Vineyard Kids outside. So that way we can just eliminate the risk. It'll be a lot safer. Kids can go ahead and play and have a really great time. So we think that this plan is going to be really healthy for our church moving forward. We think that it's going to be a really good way for us to stay in unity, love each other, sacrifice for each other, care for each other's needs, and not get wrapped around the axle about really unnecessary controversies. So I hope that this plan works for you. Please get in touch with us and let us know if you have any questions, any concerns, or even if you just want to talk to the pastors about why it is that we've all decided to take the vaccines for ourselves as you are prayerfully discerning whether or not that's the right decision for you. We would love to talk with you about it. So we hope you have a great rest of your week, and we will see you on Sunday with masks. Looking forward to the day when we get to see your smiling faces. Grace and peace.